Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 1:30 p.m. At 9:35 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include Easton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Tobiana, Wilson, Nazareth, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath, Belfast, West Easton, Chatham, East Bangor, Steuben, Glendon, Stormville, Pocono Pines and Skitop. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.